Hi everyone, I am Rebecca from ChemKnits, and today I am going to show you how to make a yarn cake. For the first step, you will need your skein of yarn, some kind of ball winder, and either a yarn swift or a willing participant to help you hold the yarn so it doesn't get tangled. Place the strand of the yarn through the holder and then to the top of the ball winder, and then start winding your cake with some of your favorite YouTube entertainment on in the background. All right, and once it is done, we can go ahead and pop this little cake right off. Now we have all the ingredients we need to make our yarn cake. You could go ahead and make a cake from scratch, but I'm a little partial to this funfetti mix because you never know, we could end up getting some cool speckled yarn. I will be following the whole egg recipe for this cake mix. But right here, this is just a normal cake mix, not a yarn cake. So next we're going to take our yarn cake and just fully get it in there and get it nice and submerged. I have pre-sprayed and floured our cake pan, and we're going to start by adding about a cup of the batter to the bottom of the pan. Next, we will add in the yarn cake into the center. And then we are going to just layer the rest of the batter on top and around the pan. No matter how often you push the yarn cake itself down, it might keep rising to the top, but just sort of go with it. Next, we are going to place our yarn cake into the oven and bake at 350 degrees for 40 minutes or until it has cooked all the way through. Checking in after 10 minutes, and our yarn is rising really nicely. All right, after about 30 minutes total in the oven, the cake is starting to look pretty done. Make sure you test it with a toothpick to make sure that it is cooked all the way through. All right, now let's take our yarn cake out of the pot. Give it a nice little tap tap. And slowly, here is our full yarn cake. We leveled off our cake. I mean, you know, the yarn is up here, so we just leveled off the bottom to make it a little smaller, more petite, more manageable to put in a yarn bowl later. But now we are going to frost it. Here we have it, our finished yarn cake. I hope that you found this tutorial really helpful. Caking your yarn is a really common technique that a lot of knitters and crocheters like to do before they start making a new project because it just makes the yarn that much easier to manage. And you know, there is no way we're going to tangle this yarn now. I hope that you all enjoyed this little April Fool's Day joke. For more serious yarn dyeing and knitting tutorials, you should really go check out the ChemKnits Tutorials YouTube channel. I post at least 2 new yarn dyeing videos every single week, and they're a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching. Who wants a slice? Wait, what? Oh. Well, here's our yarn. Who wants to start knitting with this? Oh. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video.